Hey there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. So, in today's video, I have the perfect product bundle for beginners. Now, it's perfect for everyone, but one thing that I preach for beginners is either start with die cut, stickers, etc., and matching paper, and see if you even like the process of card making before you invest in all of the things, because this is a very expensive hobby. And I mean, I would hate for you to buy a bunch of stuff and then get into it and you're like, this ain't it for me. Especially in this climate, like, you know, I know that a lot of people don't have a whole lot of disposable income. So in this video, I hope that I can kind of guide you to a way that you can do, you know, probably make 50, 60 cards for $50. Like, seriously. So that's what we're going to talk about today. It's a combination haul and kind of beginner friendly product kind of thing. And yeah, this is going to be a series. So we'll talk about that. I think I'll talk about that more in the video. It's been a while since I filmed it, but I'm pretty sure I'll talk about it. So yeah. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. My holiday card series is starting real soon, like in 2 weeks, I think, maybe 3 weeks. And there will definitely be some beginner friendly cards in that. I literally just bought a new collection today. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for you guys to see it. If you heard my intro last Friday, you know what's coming, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share it with you. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you're a beginner and if this was helpful. I hope it is, and it's not sponsored. They don't know who I am. I mean, maybe they will after we do this video and we'll see, but yeah. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can check me out on Facebook. I have a Facebook page and a Facebook group. I'm not good at Instagram, but I have an Instagram over there. So yeah. All right, let's head over to the craft table and I'm going to walk you through the perfect beginner-friendly product bundle. All right, friends, if it looks a little dark, that is because I'm trying to cut down on the glare, although it's not really helping. So let me share with you what I think is a genius way to get into card making. I'm not sponsored by Echo Park. They don't know who I am. And they got 2 orders from me. They know that. And I really wanted to share this with you because I was just sitting there thinking, I'm like, I tell you guys all the time, look for die cuts, look for stickers, like stuff with Doodlebug where you can put cards together without any stamping. That way you can decide whether or not you want to continue making cards. And before you invest in stamps and dies, because Lord have mercy on my soul, have they gotten expensive. So what do you get? So you buy a bundle, and I think they call these the classic bundles, and then they have a mega bundle. And I can share the mega bundle with you in just a minute. Now, spoiler alert, I bought these on sale. I got a coupon. These are very brand new collections, so they weren't on as good a sale as the other stuff I got that I'll share with you. Bought all this back in March. So in this kit, you get the Happy Birthday collection kit. So you get, I think it's 12 pieces of paper, 12 double-sided papers, 12 by 12 element stickers, and you can see that 3 of the sheets have these little journaling cards. And I've mentioned before how great those are at making cards. So this, and here's the stickers on the back. How fun are these? And this is $15.99. Regular price. I priced everything on scrapbook.com because that's what popped up when I searched. So you also get the coordinating solids pack. Now there are only 6 of these, but I believe this, where did I put my paper? This retails for this retails for $6.99. And again, you get the, and this, so I don't know the math because math can't math, but if you cut 4 by 3 layers, you can get 3, 6, 9 out of this, out of one sheet of paper. There are so many, like use a whole pad of paper or use a whole one sheet wonder out there that you can find that you can probably make 1,000 different things. But yeah, so this is the solids that go with. Then you get the 6 by 6 paper pad. The 6 by 6 paper pad retails for $7.99. So this is the Happy Birthday Boy. I haven't even opened this yet. It's so cute. Now the one thing I will say about Echo Park is sometimes they can be a little samey. And you know, things kind of look the same. Like I have, let me see. So I have All About a Girl, and it's not exactly close, but you can see there's a lot of kind of the same tones and kind of the same just feel of it. But yeah, I have loved Echo Park paper since that Scotty Dog Christmas pid, and I think that was like 10 years ago. So anyway, so you get the 6x6 paper pad, and I believe those journaling cards are even in here, but they mix them little cards. And again, there's so many one sheet wonders out there. Yeah, here they are. So you could cut these out, and they could be the focal point on a card, or they can be the card. You know what I mean? So you could have a trimmer, some card bases, and some adhesive, and you could make cards without worrying about stamping or anything else. So there's that. And then last but not least, you get the ephemera. How many pieces are in this? 34 pieces of ephemera, and you can see what they look like on the back. And again, I'm not sponsored by Echo Park. They don't know who I am, but they got me with their warehouse sale. Like I purchased all of this stuff in March. It's now the end of July. They got me with their warehouse sale, and because I picked up 40 different things, like they had their paper on really good sale and they had their ephemera. I got like, I only spent $50, and I got like 40 different things. Maybe 40 is hyperbole, but it was close to like at least 20, 25. So, and I love their paper. Like I have loved their paper for a very long time. So, and it's $29.99 if you buy the classic bundle from them for their website, and you save about $6. Now that, depending on what your order is, I don't know if they offer free shipping. I don't know. But to me, it's worth it to get the supplies to make, how many cards do I think we can make out of this? At least 50. And if you guys want that video, let me know. I do have a Christmas collection kit that I'll share with you in just a second. That was a mega bundle, but we could do the same thing. So this is the Make-A-Wish for the birthday girl. Isn't it so cute? Love, 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 love. And then of course you get the solids. It's very samey as the other one, except this is more quote unquote for girls. The other one, you guys know I don't like to attach masculine and feminine. These rainbows would be really great for pride. I didn't make any pride cards this year, and it breaks my heart, because if you are new here, I am very inclusive. So you're going to see different skin tones, different types of families, etc. So here's the ephemera for that. So yeah, so that's the birthday stuff. And again, $29.99. You get all of this for $29.99. I think that's a good deal. And like I said, I think this is a really good way to get into card making without making a huge investment. So you can get this for $29.99, and then you can get a pack of 100 note cards with envelopes. So if you saw me make any cards last year in my holiday card series, you saw, and if you got a kit from me, that's what those were. And it's $15 for 100 card bases and envelopes. So you're in what, $45, $50, and you could, like I said, you could potentially make 100 cards. So I just think that this is a great way for beginners to get into card making, and then you can decide if you want to venture into stamping, and that can be a whole other video. I do have a video called Stamping for Newbies that's actually really popular, but that was back when I was with Stampin' Up, and so much has changed in the crafting community since then. So if you guys want me to redo it, I've been considering it, let me know. So yeah, so that's the girl. This is the boy. Really, really cute. I don't know how often they do their warehouse sales, but they do them. They do them. Word mistake. All right, let's see. So let me show you the Christmas stuff I bought, because hello, holiday card series on the brain. We are going to be doing a week or two of, a couple of weeks of birthday cards and stuff. We're not going to just transition right into Christmas as much as I would like to. I know you guys will be like, Misty, it's too early. Like, yeah, I'm not Hobby Lobby with Christmas junk out in July. And I know everybody's doing Christmas in July, and I'm like, I'm not doing Christmas in July to turn around and do a holiday card series in September, y'all. Okay, so this is a mega bundle. How much did this retail for? Let me pull up. I just looked. It retails for $49.99, but I got it on sale. So basically for $20 more, you get so much more. So the mega bundle comes with the 12 by 12 kit. I should probably hold on to that. Okay, so the 12 by 12, or this mega bundle, comes with They don't have the paper pad? I thought it came with the paper pad. Was that separate? I don't remember. Shoot. Let's see. Oh my word. Oh my hood. I look fly. I look good. Let me look at a mega bundle. Hello, can we go to Echo Park? Okay, so you see right now they're having a sale. So a 12 by 12 pack, which normally retails for $15.99, is on sale for $7.50. So basically 50% off. Where are the mega bundles? Oh my gosh, Taylor, get out. And they have a lot of different mega bundles. So a mega bundle is normally $49.99. Like I said, where's the Christmas one? Does it come with the 6x6 paper pad? It doesn't come with a 6x6 paper pad. Okay. They have the Winnie the Pooh one because I think Winnie the Pooh is the copyright or the trademark or something expired. I don't know. Don't ask me. They even have, oh, here's mine, the one I bought. I got the Happy Holidays mega bundle, but they have other ones too. Yeah, it doesn't come with the 6x6 paper pad. Collection kit, solids kits, ephemera, chipboard accents, chipboard phrases, puffy stickers, enamel dots, frame and tags. And then you have to buy the paper separately, but again, this is last year's, so if you buy last year's stuff, it's a bit cheaper. Okay. So I did pick up the 6x6 paper pads. I may have bought 4 of them. I'm not going to confirm or deny that. I did buy some stuff for them for the giveaways. I'm debating doing monthly giveaways because this is my 10th anniversary, so we'll see. But we got frames and tags, ephemera. Again, I bought 2 of each. And then let's take a look at this. So we got dots, and I actually like the dots from Echo Park. I have some that I use pretty regularly. So the chipboard phrases, these are basically printed on chipboard. It was 2 holiday card series ago. I used chipboard stickers on cards from Echo Park. So there's those, the most wonderful time of the year. And like these would work perfect for a slimline card. And then we have the chipboard accents. So these are more of like your icons, etc. And then you get the same exact thing in puffy stickers, which are so much fun. And then you get your ephemera, which looks like this. And then you get tags. It's ugly sweater season. So if you're someone who wants to scrapbook, like if you want to scrapbook, whether it's pocket scrapbooking or traditional 12 by 12, 6 by 6 scrapbooking, this kit is fantastic for you. But also, it's fantastic for card makers. So here's the collection kit. Here are the stickers, and then here's the paper. So, how do I want to do this? I don't want to break into the happy birthday stuff yet because in my use up goal, I have the Doodlebug one I'm still working on. Plus, literally, I can film maybe 6 or 7 videos for August, and that's going to put us right at the start of the holiday card series. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a series using this collection, and I will create until everything is gone. Excluding the 6x6 paper pad. Yeah, I will, so like the very basis, no, the 6x6 paper pad is included, Misty, you should include it. It's not included in this, but it's included in the regular bundle. So I will work on this collection until it's completely done, until I'm out of paper or whatever, till I can't go any further with it. And we will see how many cards we get out of it. And then we will see how far our $50 stretch. Maybe we will get 100 cards out of it. And so, yeah. And you're like, Misty, what am I going to do with all those cards? You can drop them off at nursing homes. You can send them, you know, to schools. You can send them to family. You can sell them as a little side hustle. There's lots of things that you can do with them. You can make TikToks. I mean, I should probably get on TikTok, but I sure don't want to. I would need to hire an editor and someone to post. That's why I suck at Instagram. I hate doing it. Okay. So that's it. And I would love to hear what you think about this in the comments down below. Again, I feel like this is a genius way for new beginners to make cards that are inexpensive and easy, because it's already all done for you. You already have the paper, you already have the stickers, and you know, you can find some sketches online. Maybe we'll do that too. You know what? Let me shut up. You guys let me know what you want to see with this collection in the comments. Do you want to see me do, like, find a sketch and we make some cards with that? Do you want me to find a sketch every video? Do you want me to do those videos in real time, or would you rather see them sped up with a voiceover? Yeah. You know what? I'm going to do a poll. Maybe I'll do a poll in my community tab. So yeah, so lots of ideas. I'm just, oh, I love this. I sent this to Michael, World of Michael Trent, last year, and I'm like, it's so pretty. And he's like, the Echo Park is so, and Echo Park actually has a digital store. So if you wanted to buy the digital stuff, if you're okay with paying for printing and stuff like that at home, then you could buy it online and not even have to worry about it. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, not sponsored. They don't know who I am. Maybe they will at some point in my life. I guess if I tag them. If I tag them every time I use them, maybe they will know who I am by the end of it. But yeah, I'm so excited for the holiday card series, you guys. You left such beautiful comments on my Misty update video. It's been a rough year and a half. No lie. And just getting all of those comments from you guys and just knowing so many people cared, I appreciate you so much. So I really want to try to give back to you guys during my holiday card series. So yeah, all right. I love your faces. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, all of the doobie-doo. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later. Bye for now.